right, you guys, thanks for coming back to the Rideshare Hub. Again, I'm Jacob Letman, and we're talking about Uber and Lyft sign up bonuses. Just kidding, that's no longer. We're gonna get into that. We're talking about Uber and Lyft sign up guarantees, what that means, what you need to do, what you need to know, all of that. Capiche? All right, cool. So here's the deal. Lyft and Uber, right? They've been around for a little while. And when they first got going, they had what were sweet deal called the sign up bonus. And basically, when you use a referral code of someone you knew or someone you saw it somewhere, right, you could get a bonus of up to, let's say, like $1,000. And basically the deal was, depending on what area you lived in, so many days, let's say 30 days, if you gave so many rides within the first 30 days, you got a bonus. So extra money on top of what you made from your rides. Now, because there's so many people, they already have so many drivers, and they have people signing up regardless of these kind of incentives, they've gotten rid of that, and they've moved to the guarantee. Now, what the guarantee is, it is the same kind of stipulations, and again, it's based on your city, so you need to look and see what kind of guarantees are being offered for new drivers in your city for both Uber and Lyft. But you're going to use a referral code. If you need one of those, you can get it in the video description below. But you're going to put that in when you sign up, right? And then let's say in the first 30 days, you have to give 100 rides to hit the guarantee. And let's say your guarantee is $500, and let's say 50 rides. All right, so 50 rides within 30 days, and you get a guarantee of $500. So basically, what that means is, let's say you earned $310. Now, let's just say 300. Let's say you earned $300 over your first 50 rides. Well, Uber or Lyft is going to give you an extra $200 so that you get a guaranteed amount of $500 over those first 50 rides. Okay? Does that make sense? So, unfortunately, no longer are the days of the sign-up bonus, which would have been an extra $500 on top of whatever you made in those first 50 rides. Hopefully that makes sense. All right, so anyway, the guarantees are alive and well. Still a good thing, not as good. Now, one good thing is that the only thing that counts towards that dollar amount is going to be your ride earnings. Strictly your ride earnings. So any tips, any bonuses that you hit, any cancellation fees, what else could be in there? Like lost and found items, any of that stuff, none of that counts towards that amount. So strictly what you make off of your rides. So what does that mean? It means short rides are actually going to be preferable in that first amount of time, because you kind of want to make the least amount possible. Just give how many rides you have to give in that time stipulation. So 30 days, 10 days. I don't know what the different ones are. Usually it's 30 days, but it totally varies. I don't know, because it varies all over the country. That's why. Typically, in bigger cities, you're going to see higher amounts. New York City, though, not accepting new drivers, as far as I'm aware, for Uber or Lyft, because they're going through some... That's a whole thing there, but that's a different video. Anyway, look for your city, see what it is. Okay, what else did I want to say on that? Oh, yeah. So Uber offers what's called a retroactive bonus, which means if you forgot to use a referral code to sign up for Uber, then you can use a retroactive bonus. And we have details on how to use that. That'll be in the video description below as well. So even if you forgot to use a referral code when you signed up, you can put in a retroactive bonus as long as you haven't given so many rides in your area. And then you're considered a new driver, and you can still use a referral code to get that guarantee. Anyway, again, directions on how to do that in the video description below. And but also, if Lyft does change, Hopefully they do. I think it's silly, you know, it's like, Lyft's like, oh, if you don't use that referral code as soon as you sign up, man, you're screwed. And it sucks. There's nothing you can do, and they're really, yeah, they won't wiggle on that. I know a lot of drivers that have tried, and it really sucks because as soon as you like download the app and put in your information and start signing up, if you don't use that referral code with Lyft, you missed out. So if you're a new driver, you're looking to sign up, make sure you get our referral codes in the video description below so you can sign up and get those guarantees. All right, you guys, that's what I got for you on today's video, talking about sign-up guarantees to start driving with Uber and Lyft. And if you have any questions, feel free to get in the comment section below, get at us. We'll be happy to answer those for you. We want to make sure you guys get your guarantees. All right, I'm Jacob Letman. This is Rideshare Hub. Until next time, drive safe, everyone.